Menteri Ketenaga Puthi Malak Mendremboi haka arp South Regunai wing arja arpoi ula juba balor kecing dawa kino hikai SSE Malak men ulong bagasor karjela karangele kat bala wan pinbet ye kecing halor kecing yo tulap kino hikai school SSE halor kecing dawa wan pins kham noi ka kam jongki Malak men ulong bagajing thung kam ye kiru kam dei kabla le bet da kasor karjela bar kumta kalong ka ba ban shim ye karai.
The thing is that light is who recruit them. It's not directly recruited by the government. How you could recruit? It's not a question of simple recruitization. It's up to the state government. And the state government, when you talk up to the state government have to see what is the issue at hand, how to solve the issue. It's not a very simple decision. It is a major decision which you have to look not only today, tomorrow. Is a long-term impact is there, and it is very easy to say yes, but to implement, nobody could implement. So, as I said, that this issue is a very tricky issue, which not only today, and I see that it will be very difficult even in the future also how to solve it.